Straight ahead, 12 o'clock. Right there. I'm gonna go in. Help me. Get these guys right here.
Okay. Are you in? Like, how do you? Can we shoot you?
Go,
Just not talking.
go that way. There's two dudes right here. There's one right there in the middle. The bus is the respawn. Bus is the respawn. Bus is the respawn. Bus is the respawn. Get that guy. Go over there. Go in the middle. Go, 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 go. There's three dudes right here. Actually, two guys.
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah. I'm gonna draw him out. Gaze on right here on top. Right here on top. Look at up top, up top, up top, up top. See him? Up top. Look, stand up right here. Is that your own guy?
Yeah.
Stop shooting us! Move up! Shoot this guy right here, right here. Oh, he was right there.
So on a bang bang is a respawn, right?
Respawn is right there. Yep. 2 o'clock. You're 3 o'clock. My 3 o'clock. He's right there. He can see you. He's right there. 3 o'clock. Just get in that RV. Someone get in that RV. Yeah, you can't start there. You got to go over there, man.
You can't walk up here?
You can't go over there.
Okay.
Push up, push up. Push these guys out of here. There's only maybe one guy there. Straight ahead. Remember, the bus is the respawn. Either one. There's a guy right here, my 12. By the metal thing, my 12. Give me a guy. Give me a guy. Right here. Come here. Right here. 12 o'clock.
Yep.
It's in the metal thing. Nobody. This angle. Nobody. It's clear on this side. Your right side's clear. Here, I'm gonna go for the bomb.
All right.
Just, we'll figure it out. Just stay right there, and I'm gonna go for the bomb. Stop shooting. Only hit me one time.
Oh, shit!
Get ready to go back. Here it goes. We'll give you a few minutes. Not even that. At least less than a minute. Everybody move up. The respawn is here now. Respawn is here now. You only have a few seconds before they relocate. Keep going, guys. Keep going. I don't have a gun. You guys got to just keep going.
We gotta be aggressive. Come on, where's Shane? We're moving up.
Just keep going. Eliminate all of them. I don't have a gun. I don't have a chainsaw.
Shane, Sebastian, they plug your retreat. Let's go.
Move up. This is the respawn now. This is the respawn. Got to get these corners. Someone to get that tent. You get that tent, it's good. Get this left side, that metal thing. They're all in the back. We're not going to be able to reach them. You got to get up forward. You got to get better position.
Contact! Blue shot!
All right, we got one.
Got him.
Got two.
Contact down!
Got their main gunner. Just go forward. Go forward, guys. Go forward. Everybody at one time. Let's go. You could join this team if you want. Yeah, yeah. Just keep on eliminating. You could join this team. Respawn is the RV. Let's go. Get the corners. Get the corners and sandwich them in. Behind the tree. Right behind the tree. You're going too far, you're gonna get hit. Right behind the tree.
Get out. Get out. Thank you.
Get the guy in the tree first. Right behind the tree.
Hey, is that clear? Hey. Contact, stand back. Oh, you want it? Smoke.
Hit! Hey, there's another one there. Sandbags. The guy in the bunker in the right, the trees. Bunker in the right, the trees.
Hey man, did I get you some bait?
You're good.
Huh?
You're good. I got a little hit in the ear. I'm good.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I went to Milsville all last 2 weeks ago.
Bunker in the right, the trees. Right there in the bunker. Everybody at one time. Everybody at one time. Let's go.
The middle.
By the couch. Right here in the middle too. There's three guys, one behind the couch. There you go.
There's two over here, Pete, behind the
Here,
couch.
here, cover me.
Oh,
Still one right here too.
Yeah. He's hit. I think that's it. Okay, gun the right. Get some more guys up here. There's only one more left.
There's two. One on the couch, one on this metal.
Watch out, watch out. Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down. Couch, couch, couch.
One on the couch down. Metal. I'm covered.
Hey, come on up here.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
Don't fucking shoot me that close, motherfucker.
You can't die here!
My grenade right there. Orange grenade.
Get away!
You didn't see orange grenade landing?
You can't get shot.
Don't shoot me that close. That's the reason why. Just shoot me one fucking time. Or I get mad.